Some of the points are actually easier to do in a sitting position, so I'm going to show you a few now that actually help relieve headaches. First of all, just try and relieve some of the tension from the shoulder areas. The tension coming from the shoulders that leads up into the neck can very easily create a basic tension headache. Always bear in mind when you're treating headaches that if your receiver has suffered from headaches for a long time or they're particularly severe, they really should consult their doctor first. A little loosening of the muscles will access the channels, make the points easier to find, and also they won't be quite so painful when you come to working them. Just lean into the top of the shoulders there, stretching the muscle out, taking it to the shoulder outside point, not directly on the bones at the end though. Then just supporting your receiver's forehead, take your other hand round the base of the neck and just ask your receiver to let them relax their chin down towards their chest, gently stretching the neck out where all the meridians and channels are, and then just gently squeeze up the neck to the side of the spine, as always avoiding the vertebrae themselves. Gentle squeezing action just to release the tension, taking it all the way up to the top and the base of the skull. The first point that we're going to work is called gallbladder 20. Having now released the tension in the muscles in the neck, we're going to locate the first point, which is between the two main neck muscle areas. Just slide your fingers up either side of the neck towards the base of the skull, and your fingers will naturally find a depression which you will fall into. Make sure the pressure is not too strong, but we are going to disperse this point, so you want a little rotating action there, moving the point, clearing the chi that's blocked in the head, and encouraging a clearer flow of chi away from the head, clearing that stagnation, the blockage of energy. You can work it singularly with the thumb going into the point. The pressure is directed towards the nose at the front. Make sure your receiver's comfortable and the pressure's not too strong. Just massage the pain away. When that feels a little clearer, the point's a little softer to the touch, you can gently supporting the neck, bring your receiver's head back up to the center, and return to behind them where we're going to locate the next point. This is called do 20 and is located on the top of the head. It's actually in line, the middle point, between the tips of the two ears. So just taking that point up, crown of the head, central line, just gently apply some pressure, again a little rotating movement there. You can also use your thumbs, taking the line from the tips of the ear to the center of the head. If it feels a little sore, you can actually just use palm, gently rotate around that point. Again, dispersing the stagnant chi, the energy that is blocked and causing the headache. Just support your partner's neck, make sure it's comfortable for them. and smooth it back. The third point we're going to do on the head is actually located between the eyebrows. So just ask your partner to relax their head back against you, placing your middle finger on the point between the two eyebrows, and again just gently rotating the point, clearing the chi, brightening the eyes, clearing the mind, releasing the tension. It's a wonderful point for clarity of thought as well. Be aware of the pressure you're using. And then when that feels a little softer, you can release that point and move on. Okay, the next point that we're actually going to look at is large intestine 4. Please always remember that if your receiver is pregnant, you should not be working this point. It's located between the thumb and first finger, and just take the joint of your thumb and roll it into the web between the fingers and support on the other side with your first finger. And then again, just rotate, dispersing the point. This is encouraging the downward flow of chi, so clearing the stagnated chi from the head downwards into a healthier flow around the rest of the body. It's also wonderful for digestion, this point. Now make sure with these points that you do both sides of the body. So coming round to the other hand, again locate the point between the thumb and first finger. Take the joint of your thumb and roll it in to the web. And then just disperse the point. And release. So working down the body, we're now going to work stomach 36 point in the leg, having the leg bent here at a 90-degree angle, nice and easy to find, the edge of the kneecap. Going to take 4 finger widths, which is equivalent to 3 thumb measurements. Coming up the shin bone, as you feel the bone flaring out to the side, you just roll off the point and into stomach 36. This is a wonderful point which we're actually going to tonify now. This tonifies the chi and blood of the whole system, which encourages a smoother flow of energy, tonifying the vitality, immune system, digestion, the best energy point in the whole body. So moving round to the other side, you repeat stomach 36 again. And just tonify. Unless the point is on a central line, you would always work both sides. Unless, of course, there was any injury to one side, in which case you would work only the opposite. Always work away from any area of pain, injury, swelling, inflammation, varicose veins. You can tonify this point for up to 2 minutes on each side. The final point is liver 3, which is located in the web between the big toe and the first toe. You just slide your finger up to where you feel the bone begin. And again, your finger will just fall in to a depression. This can be quite tender, so do be sensitive, and we're going to disperse this point. This smooths the energy of the whole body, smooths the flow of chi and blood in the body. It's the blood that also carries the chi. So disperse this point. and then work to the other side as well. The combination of all of these points should have really helped to clear any tension or stress.